TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Monday. We got a mixed market right now to kick things off. We got the S&Ps positive by 16 points, trading at 41.91. We have the tech stocks pulling back a bit right now. Look at that acceleration. This morning early, we touched 13,000. The high actually on the NASDAQ 100, 13,947. We give up about 150 points from that price level, 13,810 right now. The Dow accelerating higher above 34,000 on the futures, 34,078. And the Russell up about 11 points, but giving back some of the gains as well. We were as high as about 2290 this morning. Bitcoin right at 58,000 on the dot right now. We got crude up 68 cents at 64.28. We have gold continuing to catch a bid. Gold makes it within $1.10 of 1,800. We pull back a bit. Gold up $24.80 at 17.92 right now. We got silver up more than $1. Look at that acceleration from 26 last night to above 27 this morning. 26.94 right now in silver, and notes and bonds right now. Talk about a little bit of volatility. We got the 10-year right now up 6 ticks. But boy, look at this. We'll zoom in on the action. Early this morning, 4:30, we're at 131.26. You drive all the way up to 132.16 this morning, and we've given up about 8 ticks right now from that price level. When you jump over to the yield, you're talking about a yield right now in the 10-year, as I pull this up, of... There we go. 1.614% on the 10-year. We'll jump over the VIX as we get a little bit of a pullback on the open. Nothing too crazy, but the VIX sitting at about 1840 right now. Let's jump around to some of the stocks on the tech sector. In particular, little volatility. Apple shares with their earnings last week. You have Apple up a full percent right now, trading at 132.76. Google really accelerating higher last week, giving up some of those gains this morning, down about 0.5% right now at 23.96. Facebook was higher as well. Facebook giving it up, down about 0.7%. Amazon was out their earnings on Thursday. Remarkable action when you think about the type of numbers that they put up. And Amazon now a solid almost $250 off where they spiked to on their earnings Thursday night at 36.67. All right, folks, big week of earnings. We get non-farm payrolls on Friday, of course. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up live right now with Trade What You See. Steve Rose at 1 o'clock, Dave White at 2 o'clock, Tom O'Brien, my dad from 3 till 4. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento, he's coming up live right now.